Only 20% of your customers are from near your store. Where are the other 80% coming from? Using MAPOG, you can spot high-density customer pockets and pick your next store location in minutes. Open Map on storied.mapog.com and see in the map we've already the pre-existed store location. Click Add Story. Choose Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Next, go to Select Point Type, Settings, and add a new attribute type called Customer. Set the feature to Point. Add key attributes: purchase volume, sales volume, purchase frequency, spending level, so every point carries the customer metrics you need. Next, select the location type you just created. Upload the prepared CSV/Excel file. Set customer ID as the unique ID. Match your Excel columns to those attributes. Map latitude and longitude under coordinates. Then submit. Your customer's auto-plot on the map. Open any customer point using Edit Point Details to add images or notes. Then go to Add Style Layer Basic Style to color your points and make clusters visually obvious. Now look for clusters. The map shows your high-density area where most customers actually live. That's your next store target. Click Add Story. Choose Add manually, pin your proposed location. Select feature type as store, same as your existing store. Fill details and attach images, save it. Finally, style your store layer using the category style from Add Style Layer. Give the existing store a red pin and your proposed store a blue pin so stakeholders see the comparison at a glance. Retail teams use this for store placement, marketers for targeted campaigns, logistics for smarter delivery zones, and real estate pros to spot opportunity areas. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.